Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your CVS Employee Account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in CVS Employee Portal. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website saying Employee Self-Service ESS Login Form. In my case, it's the second one, so tap on it. And here you need to provide your username and your password to log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type a password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you'll be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.